Hiro-san.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. So we are going to GUGA place.
Yes, and let's show everyone what's in the trunk.
Oh, I have a lot of stuff. Some of the sushi things and some cook items, some sauces here, and I have some all ingredients right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do an epic collab. And
With Nissan Z.
oh yeah, beautiful car again. New for 2023. Hiro, you drove it, I drove it. I want to put this thing on the track. See what it can do, huh? This thing turns heads everywhere. It's pretty crazy. How many people like just come up to you, police officers, everyone and every person just gawking at the car. Plus the paint is so beautiful.
I like this car.
Right?
Yeah, almost like when I was in Virginia, I used to have a Nissan Z. I think that was an 85 model with a turbo. Very similar color.
Okay.
A little more darker.
Let's show that on the screen, what your car used to look like. Okay. All right, Hiro-san, let's go. Ready?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We are again with our friend,
Yes.
GUGA.
What's up, everybody? My favorite chef right here. Let's go.
Got a great video. GUGA, so we went to buy some inexpensive items to make a nice kind of surf and turf on a
You came
budget.
to the right place. I love it. Inexpensive stuff.
Yeah, but we need your help to make it look kind of more expensive to taste much better. So we're going to have you try and help us out.
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's make it happen. You guys tell me. I'm excited.
All right, so Hiro, let's talk about the ingredients. Well, GUGA, tell us about this right here. What is
So
this?
I did a bunch of videos with my good friend Nick DiGiovanni, and we have a good amount of trimmings here of Japanese Wagyu A5. This is all as good as it gets, and it's a lot of the trimmings. So I guess we're going to use it to render the fat, you know?
Yes, we're gonna take out fat from
Okay.
this beef. Then rest of the ingredients right here.
Let's talk about it.
Chop the onions.
Okay.
I have a little small shrimp here, and slice the garlic. And here is mirin, sake, soy sauce.
Okay.
And one more thing, most important thing is this one.
Oh, look at
I
him.
got this one from him.
Let's go.
Very, very special honey.
It's a very small run. We don't
Yeah.
even have it for sale anymore, but I wanted to make sure Hiro got it. We completely ran out like immediately, quickly, because this is a very limited run.
Limited one.
Yeah. We don't have it available anymore, but it's a good honey, right?
Yes.
Maybe by the end of the year, though, huh?
Maybe in the end of the year we might do a second run.
And by the way, this is not sponsored,
No.
unfortunately.
First step, I'm gonna do from the beef.
Okay.
To take off the oil.
Oil,
first.
yes.
Yes. Then after, I'm gonna mixing everything together.
Right, but the best part is, can GUGA save a $10 a pound tomahawk steak from Mexico without any ratings?
Let's find out
Yeah.
right now. So in here there is ribeye, New York strip, and filet mignon.
Oh, everything.
All of the trimmings. So I say we're gonna render this fat, and as soon as the fat renders and we
Okay.
use it for the inexpensive tomahawk, we're gonna chop this up in some bread, everybody.
Oh, nice.
Oh yes, we're not letting this go to waste. Are you crazy?
I was going to say.
Are you crazy?
All right, Hiro-san, we came to the right place, too, huh?
Yeah.
We love beef and GUGA's steak.
We're gonna mix a little bit of the trimming. We can actually show the audience if you want. A little bit of trimmings together with mayo on some toast.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Let's go, baby.
Paradise.
Let's go, baby. So I've rendered a lot of Japanese Wagyu fat before, and it's important to the audience to know that we got to keep it at low temperature. If you put it at too high temperature, then what happens is like it gets a little burned, the meat, and it's just not as good. So you want to keep it as low. It's a slow process, but it's definitely worth it.
So like medium heat GUGA?
Yeah, like a medium low.
Medium low.
Like, see, like that. I mean, Hiro is the chef. He knows exactly. And I just wish the audience were here smelling it.
Right? Oh, my
It
goodness.
smells amazing, right?
yeah.
It takes a little bit of time, but if you have nice patience, it works very well. That's a lot of
A
fat,
lot
you
of
know.
fat coming out.
That's
Oh,
a lot
yeah.
of fat.
So what's the next up, GUGA?
I think we're gonna use this right here for the injection. So we're just gonna try to extract a little bit of. It's like we're doing medicine over here, Hiro. Welcome to GUGA Foods, where we do experiment. Oh, Hiro, Hiro is
So
ready.
it's gonna be this one, you know.
Exactly.
You guys heard of 90210? This is 33139 South Beach,
There you go, baby.
right?
So I guess let's do this.
Oh, yeah.
The way the grubs though.
I'm out.
Here, what did you do? I missed that. What I missed that part.
No, you don't want to see that. You don't want to see that. You don't see that. We don't show that on the videos.
Okay.
Shall we go try Hiro?
Sure.
Okay, tilt it to Charles. Okay, Let's see if we can make this work. Oh, it's working. Oh, yes.
Now who's looking for a booty, huh?
Look at this, boy. This is real. This is the real deal, right? Oh my God, there's still a lot in there, Hiro.
Oh yeah.
Hold on 1 second. I think maybe we can do some more. A little bit. Oh, it's gonna be. You see how it's very, very liquidy? I don't think it's gonna work. We need to have it. Ooh, that's hot, boy. I don't have hands like you, Hiro. I think we're gonna have to put it in the refrigerator so that it can solidify a little bit. Because if it's just like this, it's just gonna go all over the place when we inject it. So a little bit more solidify is good. So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator a little bit. That okay, Hiro?
Sure.
Okay, perfect. So this is the meat you brought me, huh?
It is.
Very interesting. I've never seen it before. I gotta be honest with you.
It's
There's no rating on it. It looks like it was not that expensive.
It was $10 a pound.
Oh boy.
So we don't know what kind of quality it is. There's no rating, like you said. It's maybe
This is what I like to call rating 0 minus 0.
it's from Mexico, so we don't know.
We don't know. We don't judge a book by its cover, and we're gonna try to make it better.
It looks good though, right?
It does have marbling.
Yeah,
I thought there was gonna be no marbling at all, so I'm surprised. Let's see if we can improve.
Okay.
Let's grab a little bit of, let's pat it dry really good. One of the things I like to tell everybody always, we never wash meat. We just pat it dry here really good.
Yeah, tell people why you don't wash meat. Because
you're just basically spraying all the bacteria on the sink. It's not going to do anything, you know. You're not taking anything out, and you're not taking the bacteria out. You're just spreading the bacteria. It's much better just to use a paper towel like this and doing it. Washing it does nothing. Same thing goes for chicken and everything else. Check it out, everybody. After just a little bit on the refrigerator, completely solidified. Should work perfect.
Dr.
Do the
GUGA.
honors?
Maybe after you.
Okay. I just go for it, Charles?
Yep, absolutely. And
What's
the technique here?
Well, the technique here, we're about to find out together because I don't know. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to inject.
I've seen this in Dr. 90210, I think.
90210. Okay. All right. I guess the more the better, right? Is that how it works?
I think so. More is always better, right?
I know, right? Okay.
Wow, take a look at this.
Should we inject the whole thing?
I think so.
The whole thing, you know? Look at his face.
We're gonna put everything.
Yeah, everything, we know.
Yeah, always he say everything. Every time.
More is better.
Every time, everything.
More is better, bigger is better.
Hiro's face is terrified, everybody. He's terrified.
Sure.
Hey, Hiro, you come to my house. We're going to do some crazy stuff, my friend. Let's see. All right. I'm going to do a little bit. You're going to do the rest, okay, Hiro? Because it's not fair. I'm the only one having enough fun over here. That's not right. Huh?
All right.
I'll do half. Hiro's got to get in on as well, huh, Hiro?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, look, it's already coming out from the other hole. There's too many holes going on over here, everybody. I don't know if this is going to taste better or anything, but I'll tell you one thing. It is a lot of fun to make. Oh, yeah. Spread it out, Hiro, all over the place.
We need a reload or no?
I don't think so. I think that's
enough?
a lot of Wagyu fat right there.
Yo, how many cc's is there, GUGA?
A lot.
Do we start out with?
I have a lot.
Okay.
A lot? Okay.
A lot. That's how much it has. A lot.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, now what's the word? What's your famous saying?
I say it is enough talking and let's cook it. No,
Or what's the other saying?
I say, I know it doesn't look that good right now, but watch this.
Gonna take out some of the beef here. And that looks like a meal in itself, right?
Oh,
Guga? You were
no.
saying?
We're gonna put this on some bread and a little bit of mayo with some sriracha. Oh, come on.
Yes.
Come
That
on.
looks good.
Wow, look how much Wagyu fat it rendered. That's a lot.
So good.
Even though we used a bunch of it already, we still have quite a bit.
With sushi rice, we can make a
Wagyu.
hand roll, right, Hiro?
Wagyu hand roll.
yeah, Wagyu hand roll.
That sounds amazing
Wagyu
right
hand
now.
roll.
Okay.
Okay, Hiro, what's the next step?
Shrimp.
Okay.
Okay.
Secret ingredient.
Wow, that shrimp
Baby
is,
shrimp.
is very small.
Sake.
Sake. Mirin. Soy sauce.
Manuka honey. Oh yes.
Manuka, what does that mean?
Manuka honey is a very special type of honey. It's not like you can find it anywhere. It has a lot of good stuff, which you can Google it and find out about. But yeah, it tastes different too, right?
Yeah, very
It
different.
tastes very different than normal honey. See how thick it is?
Oh, wow.
It's kind of thick.
Yeah, thick boy. To reduce a little bit.
Guga, tell us your first reaction looking at this.
I gotta be honest with you. I mean, look at this. It looks pretty nice.
Right?
And it also feels very nice and tender. So I don't know if it's because of the Wagyu fat, but it looks fantastic. But let's go ahead and chop it up and see what we got. Nice medium rare there. So what I like to do with a tomahawk is I like to separate the cap first. So by separating this, and we have a little chef piece. Chef Hiro.
Okay. Nice piece.
What is that piece? What piece is that from? The cap?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How's it, Hiro?
That's good.
Really?
Not bad.
Looks like the experiment worked. Okay, yeah? Okay. All right, well, let's go ahead. So, right here, there's a little bit of silver skin on every ribeye. So, I like to remove that part out. And this is fully the cap. And then we have the eye right here. So, I like to remove all of the silver skin. That's good. And then this one, I'm just going to slice.
It's really tender.
Super tender, boy. So we'll fan it out like this. Nice medium rare. Oh, not bad. Interesting. Okay. And then on the cap, I remove a little bit of this fat over here. It's quite fatty. And then here.
Can you
slice.
tell that the Wagyu fat helped at all? Or we don't really even know, right? What's your opinion?
Listen, I can tell you right now is that it's really tender, and without having another one to compare, it's gonna be tough
That's true.
because it is nice and tender. I'll tell you that right now. So we got that. We have this.
Peter who?
Hey!
Peter Luger who?
Peter Rugo.
Who? You know Peter Luger?
Yeah, of course I know.
Of course, right? We were there
Peter,
a
just
month
back.
ago.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Very, very hot plate, yes? Just came out from the oven.
Oh, the smell of that here is amazing, right?
Smells
so
good.
So good.
I think you did it, Guga.
Hey,
Both of you.
I don't know, man. We're about to find out right now.
Right.
Smells good. Looks good. Think it's gonna taste good, Hiro?
Hope so. Hope so. Hope so.
We hope so.
We got to call your nephew, huh?
Hey, oh, yeah, of
Angel.
course. Oh, we're gonna put a little bit of dill. I love it.
Just for Kara.
Yeah, this color beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh yeah. Oh yes,
meal.
sirree.
Okay.
Wow, that looks
Hi.
amazing, Chef Hiro.
Okay.
I love it. It looks great.
What a
Let's
great collab.
go.
You guys did amazing.
I cannot wait to try it though.
Right.
Let's try it right now.
Well, thank you so much. We're going to go to the tasting part in just a minute. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. Don't forget this man. All his information is down below. GUGA, one of our really great friends that we met in Miami.
How long? Like 15,000 years already I know you. I don't even know. It's like not only a great friend, a great chef, a great person. Here is the man. Are you ready to try here?
Sure, let's try.
Okay, let's call Angel.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, here we go. To the tasting part. Our man GUGA, Angel,
How you doing?
Hiro-san. All right. Who's going to try first?
Oh no, I'm not shy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, we doing
Let's
it?
just go. I want to grab a little bit of everything. It's a big piece though. Look at this,
Oh.
big piece.
Nice.
I want to get a little bit of this sauce here because here to put some effort in this. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of shrimp, a little bit of onions. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yep.
Enough talking. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Angel.
Not bad, Hiro. Not bad.
Really?
Not bad.
For
I
Angel to
will
say it's
say-
good, yeah.
I will say, I think Hiro's sauce made it extra good. I will say that.
And your honey's in there. Limited
Honey,
run, yeah. Angel, tell me.
It's delicious.
Hey, you don't mind the shrimp in there? Because I know you're not really into seafood.
You can't even feel it.
You
It's
can't feel-
amazing.
You cannot feel the shrimp at all.
It's awesome. The sauce is really good.
Good?
The flavor is awesome.
This little garlic here,
Yeah.
wow, amazing.
The fried garlic, right?
It goes really well with the steak. I kind of want. What's this side? This side is the cap, or this side is the cap?
How much you pay for this tomahawk?
Oh my goodness, like $23,
I cannot believe you.
right?
That's pretty good.
And a meal for $3+.
This is a big piece, man.
Absolutely great. All right. Yes, it's an inexpensive cut of meat, but at the same time, when you add that expertise of Chef Hiro, a little bit of cheating of Wagyu fat in there, it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
A lot of flavor. GUGA, thank you so much. Really enjoyed filming here with you. The
It's
crew,
always fun.
food,
Absolutely.
amazing.
You guys are the best.
We'll see you
Hiro
soon,
is
yeah.
the champ.
It's facts.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chef Hiro.